How to set up Gmail SMTP server full guide. So hello there and welcome back to another video. To do it, first of all, you have to head over to your Gmail, then tap onto settings and then search for the security options. It may be in this options here. Let me find the security options. Also, you can get it from here. Just scroll down, tap on to see all settings, and then there we can see the security option. Let me find it right from here. Also, you can get it from here. Tap on to manage your Google accounts, and after tapping onto it, you can see the security option. Simply tap on to security. After tapping onto security, here you can see all these things, password and etc. Then at the search bar, search for app. Here you can see this app passwords. Tap onto it, and after tapping onto it, you have to enter your password from here. You can also try another way, like you can use your passkey and etc. And also make sure that your two-step verification is turned on, because without it, it will not gonna work. So as you can see, it is on. So now let's head over to it. Now we have to enter our password. So let me enter my password. So as you can see, their password is something wrong. So let me just choose this account. Let me try another way. Let me use your passkey. Okay, let's try another way. Then you just have to log into your account. Now you have to create your app name. For example, I'm gonna just type in SMTP. Then you have to create your app name. Then you have to head over to SMTP, and then you have to go to their official site. Wait, not this one. Just search up for Gmail, this one, and then go search up for this one. And now you have to send an email campaign. For example, you can tap on to add to Gmail, and then you have to tap onto it and add to Chrome. And after tapping on to add it to Chrome, there we go. So you have to sign in with Google to this address. Now you have to tap on to continue, and after tapping on to continue, here you can see the test connection. Now you can just simply tap onto it. Now you have to enter your SMTP server port, security, your username, your email address, your password, etc., and then you can just simply tap on to test it, and there we go. So that's it. So this is pretty much it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.